Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. Today we are unboxing Touched by an Angel, the sixth season. I've actually been watching a lot of Touched by an Angel recently, and look, the thing about this show is it's a little corny at times, not gonna lie. It's definitely got a chicken soup for the soul vibe, but it's also got a grittiness that you kind of forgot about, and it's nice to watch something where the message is wholesome. I mean, yeah, granted, it's the same message over and over, basically. I get it. There's a lot of things you could make fun about the show, but it's better than you thought it would be. So, anyway, this is a edition of they used to, maybe I'll do like a overview of the whole series one day. They used to put like 4 individual cases that those thin packs. And then they started doing these with season, I think, 5, or maybe it was 4. It was one of those two. But anyway, so I am now on season 6. I finished the 5th season last night, which I don't know what date it is because I have no idea when these videos go up sometimes. But let's open it and let's see what it looks like on the inside. By the way, one of the interesting conundrums of a show like this is that the actors, of course, age a little bit, and it gets noticeable near the end of the show. And the whole funny concept of do angels age? So the way they have this design is that they have the episode title and the description and the original air date on the inside of the case. I mean, this is replacing what was on the thin pack discs, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 discs for all the episodes. Now, why so many discs for this DVD set? Well, and boy, does this put Netflix's little 10 to 13 episode orders in perspective. There was 26 episodes in this season, 19 hours and 47 minutes. And so that's why there are 7 DVD discs, because they didn't want the quality to suffer too much. And I appreciate that they did that. Now, of course, these things can be a little flimsy. You got to be careful or else they could break. There does not appear to be any special features on this one, unlike the first season. But you do have all the episodes. And by the way, one of the reasons I started buying these on DVDs because I was rewatching the show on Paramount Plus. They only have the first 4 seasons on there, and not even the full seasons. Like, some of them, they only have like 8 episodes of a season. And I'm guessing it's because of things like music rights and things like that. Sometimes the guest stars that they had were unknown at the time, but then they ended up being like really big later on. Like season 5 had a guest appearance by Brie Larson when she was like 12 or something like that. So I'm sure it can't be a cheap show to negotiate for streaming, which is why it's great that the whole thing made its way on DVD and pretty much intact the way it was. But that's Touched by an Angel, the 6th season. We'll unbox the 7th, 8th, and 9th and final season later on when I get around to watching them. I, again, have no idea when this one will go up. This one's a little rare. And then we'll just kind of overlook the DVDs as a whole. But anyway, I would like to know, do any of you watch this show? Do you have the DVDs? What do you think about it? I'd love to know, so comment below. And I will see you at the movies. Take care, everyone.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to, it is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.